Commodity markets is the sharp fall that we've seen in crude prices. Crude prices down close to about 4% overnight. Manisha joins in for more details on this. Manisha.
Well, thank you for that, Rima. Yes, we have seen the crude oil prices decline to the tune of 4 to 5% overnight. And with that, for the week, we are down by nearly 8%. And with that, the crude prices have fallen to a one-month lows as well. Well, the markets were slightly overbought. We have seen a big amount of hedge fund profit-taking as well come into the market is the reason you've seen that decline. Remember, in the previous quarter, we saw the crude oil prices gain anywhere between 26 to 28% for both the crude varieties. So some profit-taking was in the coming. Add to that the fundamentals, which also led to some bearishness. IEA says that the gasoline stocks in US have surged by 6.5 million barrels. Markets were anticipating less than 1 million barrel of a buildup, and that buildup has led to a two-year highs, and that tells you that the demand in US seems to be slowing down as well. The gasoline prices also are trading at a 9-month low. We've seen 17% of decline coming in for this one as well in last 3 weeks itself. The heating oil prices also fell by 5% in the overnight markets. There are reports that Russia may lift the diesel export ban in coming few days. That would mean more supplies coming into the market. OPEC and allies yesterday in the meeting did not make any changes, and that is something that went neutral for the prices. But the US crude stocks saw a decline. Markets are looking at higher refinery rates. That seems to be a botheration as well. And then the Cushing stocks also rose finally, first time after 8 weeks of decline there. The markets also are looking at weaker economic data that we've seen coming from China and European Union. There also is increase in supplies from Turkey, Iran and Iraq. That has also led to some decline into the markets. If you look at the volatility, that has been quite huge. From a $96 of a high in last week itself, we have seen prices decline to almost $85, $86 a barrel for the Brent prices right now. That's what we are dealing with. The markets do believe that some consolidation is what you could see for the coming month now.
Thank you for that. Get into a break. As we do that, here is a quick